Welcome to Plants Outside. We are an independent public horticultural nursery supplying a large selection of plants from our Shopwhyke nursery located on Drayton Lane to customers throughout the local area of Chichester. We hold a large stock and a wide range of outdoor plants such as shrubs and perennials, seasonal bedding, herbs, vegetables and many more, as well as pre-planted bulbs which are available in late winter and spring. We also have some houseplants available throughout the year and a larger selection in summer. We are different to other suppliers in that we hold a large stock all year round and we are continuously adding to the variety of our plants. Another key differentiator for Plants Outside is that 95% of our plants are either grown here on site by us or by carefully selected local growers. This assures great quality, reduces our carbon footprint and supports our fellow local businesses. We offer free delivery to local customers. For more information, call us on 07541 971 274, visit our website or come and see us at our Shopwhyke nursery on Drayton Lane near Chichester.